guys, how's it going? I'm at an airport, waiting to go to Chicago, playing on a wheelchair. I just ran over my toe. That kinda hurt. Yeah, so it's got an hour. Tired. It's been a long months are long, but check this out. This is pretty cool. So they got a power cord for your USB cable. Bloop. And now I can plug in my phone.
Attention in the terminal.
That dies really fast.
Please return to security checkpoint.
Bam. Charge. Let's get back over here. I felt like the Old Spice guy, but less muscular. Way less muscular. Like, I'm on a horse. I'm over here. I just crashed into the glass. Now I'm crashing into the thing behind me. Oh boy. Blast off. I'm gonna get kicked out of this airport. I'm on the airplane in the bathroom. That guy was reading People magazine or some chick magazine. It was weird. Does anybody know where the poo and pee go in the toilets? So I always thought it like goes in, like gets dumped out in the air. It's like psh, kind of like in space. It's kind of gross to think about it, but went to our host house. Now it's time to build the bike. Bike's done and built. It is hot in Chicago. Sticky. So here's the final cut.